Hello, my name is Alicia, and in this video I will be informing you on the use of assistive technology in special education classrooms and whether or not it is beneficial for students. To begin with, the National Center for Education Statistics states that 14% of all public school students are qualified under IDEA and spend, if not their whole day, but part of their day in a special needs classroom. This percentage might not seem like a lot, but that is roughly 7 million students. It is important to acknowledge that all 7 million students will not be able to learn the same way. They need to be provided with appropriate tools and technology to fit each of their needs. For example, take this school. It mostly caters to general education classrooms, but contains a few special education classrooms. These are a few of the students that require special education needs. Some of the most common barriers to learning for these students are reading, writing, memory, listening, communication, and a few more. Now, Rachel and Derek, who are on the right over here, both have autism spectrum disorder, but are on the milder side of it. Rachel mainly has difficulty reading, so she would benefit from scribes available that read text back to her. Derek, even though he has the same disorder, mainly struggles with short-term memory. He would benefit from live scribe smart pens, which capture everything spoken in class and written by him. On the other hand, Bethany and Caitlin have developmental disorders in which their visual processing is poor. They might need tablets to help them draw out notes and concepts, or they might make use of screen and video magnifiers. Now, as you can see, each type of disability requires different technological tools. Even within the same disability, each individual has their own strengths and weaknesses and will use a variety of tools to suit their needs. Now, the question arises, are there more pros to technology in special education classrooms, or are there more cons? After researching this topic greatly, I realized that there are a lot more pros for the use of technology in classrooms. A big concern with technology in education is that it distracts the child from learning and leads to poor social skills. However, special education students, technology actually helps them feel more independent and gain confidence in their ability to learn and succeed. It also helps their social skills instead of hindering them by allowing for more communication with their peers. In conclusion, the use of technology in special education classrooms has been proven to be helpful and should be promoted. Overall, this project was a great educational experience in which I could inform you guys about a topic I care about greatly through this online tool. Thank you so much for watching.